I will.
Walk really fucking slow. That was like right in my dimple on the ass.
I'm talking halls, the assholes. Never done before in human history. No aiming. Okay. Hello.
Hold on. Give me a sec.
Hurry.
I'm sorry, Poppy.
Oh fuck, it's gonna be loud. Hey, it's gonna be loud. Here. Here, I got this for you. Come on, get out. Hold on, senor. I got to give this back. Oh shit, he's going. Oh no, I want to put it in my pocket for right now. I'm gonna give it back to him. Wash that door. Hit. Ouchie, mommy. If I see him, I'm gonna give it back to her. If I see him, I gotta give it back to him. Mommy. Ah, ripped again. I'm gonna take my damn time, alright? You're useless, you know. You're useless. Oof. That's my goal. Get him a position away and say oof every time. I'm digging this music, alright. He's on our team. Yes, he is. Here.
What?
Here.
We could have had that.
Yeah, got it for you.
Oh wait, what the fuck?
Yeah, that's how it comes. You shot friendly teammate. Oh yeah, I didn't even notice that. Hit. God damn it. I've been bamboozled.
Watch your right.
I don't want to be bamboozled. Goddamn barrels. Come on, dude, let's go.
I'm trying to put this.
You can do it later. Because honestly, that takes time. It's because that takes time, dude.
Life takes time.
Fuck life sometimes.
God, I fucking hate you, man. God damn it, get out of my room. Guys, you gotta rush it again.
I'm not rushing shit, I'm taking my time. Ho!
Hi ho.
I got your
I think
hoe.
we got it. No, we're green.
Watch out! God damn it! Fucking. There we go. It gets hung up sometimes. Hit! What are you doing? Yeah, man. What are you doing?
I got shot in the knee! I'm fixing my pad. I'm a blowout period.
Well, damn.
Well, damn. Girl airsofters on high school girls. Open up the wall.
Laser.
Oh shit! Oh! Ow! Ow!
What? Could you not?
What?
But you're gonna make my camera explode.
Oh yeah?
It's recording the same.
I know. Oh, really serious, though.
Oh, I just unloaded on his ass. He's like, what the fuck, bro?
I don't have to spirit my bed. You gotta help. No.
You little Jubot. Hit. What are you doing?
I want to feel too.
God damn, you fucking take forever on everything.
I'd like to see you change the CO2 faster than I do, bitch.
Give me it. Oh, you changing for a pistol? Yeah. Oh, goddamn then. Okay, this will be great content.
Oh yeah? Jack changing his pistol.
I'll give you my YouTube channel after.
Okay, at BRM_airsoft. That's my team's.
I'm gonna edit this out.
Goddamn. My team's in.
Hurry!
Go follow it.
Ow! God damn it, hit! It's that same son of a bitch.
He's laying on the ground, by the way.
I know. Maybe we could get it if you get your ass into gear. God damn, you're slower than a goddamn dead snail.
Hey, you better keep my Instagram account in. Sorry, it's hard to use this.
You! Oh, look, you joined the party. Don't fucking stop. Come on. You're fucked. Oh, you saved his life. Here, you can look now. I think they're in White House. I think they're in White House, by the way.
Behind flag.
Your mom gay.
Mom's gay.
Your mom gay.
Let's see a quick rush.
Sure. Oof. Look at that shit. He's got more Nutter Butters than I do. Greenhouse! Hit! I fucking hate you! God damn, dude. Give me a hug. I got shot.
Hospital saved you. Come here.
Mommy. You're not being nice. I gotta empty this actually, so. Did we win?
No.
All that for nothing?
I hit the barrel, but no one watched it after I died.
All that for nothing, I guess.
Hey Jack, that's it. Jack, hi. How's my throat? I don't know. I'll check.
I just oofed you up.
Fuck yeah, baby.
Oof! Y'all are dicks to each other.